Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to grayscale in Krita. Start by selecting the layer you want to grayscale in the Layers docker. Then go to Filters, Adjust, then Desaturate at the top menu. This opens the Desaturate options. In the Desaturate window, you'll see several methods like lightness, luminosity, average, min, or max. Each uses a slightly different formula to map colors into gray. Pick one and watch the live preview to see how your image turns gray before applying. Once you have chosen a method that looks right, click OK. Krita will apply the grayscale conversion to the active layer. If you prefer to keep the original intact, you can add this as a filter layer so you can toggle or adjust it later. An alternative way is converting the image color space itself to grayscale via Image, then convert image color space, and selecting grayscale or alpha. But this permanently removes color information, so use it only if you're sure you want a full grayscale document. And that's how you grayscale in Krita. Thanks for watching.